In this video, I'll show you how to create real estate marketing videos fast with InVideo. So whether you are a creator, a marketer or a business owner, so this is 2022. Not creating videos for your brand just isn't an option. But you might have a few questions in your way. So how will I create videos if I don't know how to edit? Well, this takes a lot of time because I've also got a business to run, and of course, so today I'm going to be showing you the best video editor for real estate marketing videos in 2022. So InVideo is the best online video editor for creating videos in 2022 because it comes with 4000 customizable ready to use templates, so you never have to spend money on templates. So it also comes with 8 million stock images, videos and musics. So you don't have to pay for any of that. And it's an intuitive and easy to use video editor. So even if you have never used video editor before, so it's very easy to use. They also have 24/7 support window in case you ever need to ask a question, and some other cool stuffs. Ready to learn more? So let's get started. So this is the home screen of InVideo. So here, as you can see, so these are all brand presets. So once you click on brand presets, where you can write your brand name, then brand logo. Also you can change the text color, highlight color, Instagram handle, Twitter handle, Facebook page. You can mention it here. So these are all your brand settings. So once that is done, okay, so I'm just going to select real estate videos here. I'm just going to type in the keyword real estate, because in this video I'm just going to show you how you can create marketing videos for your real estate. So here, as you can see, there are multiple templates here for real estate. So there are hundreds of templates you can choose from. So I'm just going to select a simple one, real estate video ad. So once you click on the arrow, so here you'll get the preview. Also there are like different formats here, like one is wide 16:9, then square, then vertical format you can select from. So here you can preview. So I'm just going to select 16:9 and I'm going to use this template. So here, as you can see, so this is the main editor here, and the video is been split into different scenes here. So there are 3 scenes here. So here, as you can see, you can resize the image. You just have to select the image. So if you want to replace the image, you can do that. I've just deleted the image. Now let's say if I want to add another image or video, you can add it here. So there is option for uploads as well. So these are all custom uploads, so where you can add your image. So I'll just undo it. So if you want to change anything here, you just have to select the text and you can increase or decrease the price directly here. So if you want to increase or decrease the mortgage here, you can do that. So everything is customizable. Now let's go to scene number 2. So here, as you can see, there are images which are given. You can just resize the images. So you can change the layout of the images. So if you want to add any image, you can do that. So I'm just showing you for example. So if you want to add this image, so you just have to drag it and drop it here. So this is just for demo purpose. So I'll just delete it, and let's go to scene number 3 then. So here you can enter your picture, then write your name, then your contact number, your website, your logo. So as you can see, your logo is directly been pulled from brand presets. So it will be put for each and every video here. So whichever videos you'll be generating, so it will be automatically added. So here, as you can see, you can select the video format 16:9, and once everything is done, you just have to click on download and then click on export button. So your video will be ready. So there you have it, guys. In just few steps you can create wonderful real estate marketing videos. So if you don't already have InVideo, so there's a link in the description to the website. So click on the link and start creating wonderful videos. So thank you for watching these videos. I'll see you in the next video.